students, we start with the first algebraic equation. This equation we can solve by using regular falsi method or method of false position. So first equation we taken here, algebraic equation. This equation we will discuss by using RF method. How to find out the root or factor of this equation by using RF method? First, denote this as a f of x is equals to, if the terms are in the RHS part, write down all the terms in the left hand side and represent this is f of x. Start with the first value 0, because when we substitute 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that gives us interval where our root lies. So first we started 0 value. So 0 if we substitute, this gives me values, first value minus 5. Now if we substitute 1 here, that value it is minus of 6. F of 2 value, if we substitute, then it gives us minus 1, and for f of 3 the value we got here 16. So 0 substituted, 1 substituted, 2 substituted, and similarly 3. This value is negative, minus, minus, now it become plus. When it change its sign, when it become opposite sign, we stop this calculation and we write here root lies between interval is 2, 3. So this is our interval. Now we will mention these two values 2, 3 in the table. First value is x0, second value it is x1. Now we have the formula for RF regular falsi method. x2 is equals to x0 f of x1 minus x1 f of x0 upon. So this is the formula. Now this x2 is only the representation, but this gives us first approximation. This is first consideration. So first approximation will calculate. Now we have all the values. Substitute in this formula. X0 value it is 2. Okay, initially we'll write down here x0 value it is 2, f of x1 value it is 3, f of 2 upon f of 3 minus f of 2. Substitute all these values. 2, f of 3 value 16 minus 3 into f of 2 value minus of 1, same value, and calculate this on the calci. We have this value, it is 2.0588. So we have this value. Now to find out next x0 x1, that is the next interval, we'll use here one technique. For f of 2 the symbol is minus, and for f of 3 symbol is plus. Now next we required symbol for this value, that we'll find out by using this. Substitute this in the polynomial. First I will explain how to find out q minus 2 into minus 5, and after the calculation that value we have 2.0813. No, not this one. So that value it is minus 0.3910. 0.3910, and that minus symbol will give for this value 2.0588. Now next interval minus plus. With the opposite symbol, this become our next interval. So this is our next interval. This is x0 value, x1 value. Now formula remains same for this x2, x0 value. F of x1, f of x0 upon these two similar values as it is. Now calculate these values. 2.0588, f of 3 value already we have, that value it is 16 minus 3 into f of 2.05. So this value previously we calculated, we directly put here upon these two bracket values in the denominator with the minus sign. Calculate this expression and the calci. Now this become our second approximation, first, second. So that calculation it is 2.0813. Now we required symbol. Right now I am directly writing this value here by putting this 2.0813 in the given polynomial. So the output it is minus 0.1468, and this minus symbol will put here. So next interval become minus n plus 2.0813 and 3 plus. Opposite symbol terms we will consider. So this become newly x0 and this become x1. Now this become our third approximation. Formula we keep as it is. Substitute here x0 minus upon right now I have the calculated value for the next approximation. In the x3, 2.0813 f of 3 value, that is 16 minus 3 into f of 2 point, that value previously we calculated, upon these two bracket values in the denominator with the minus sign, and the calculation for third approximation we have 2.0896, 2.0896. Again we require the symbol for this expression. So f of 2.0896, now I will write down here that calculation part. It's q minus 2 into 0896 minus of 5, and the output it is minus 0. Minus of 0.055511. So that minus symbol will put that 2.0896. Now next two opposite symbols, these are the two terms, 2 point minus symbol and 3 plus. So this become our next interval. So here we'll change. Now formula remains same. For approximation, newly x0 value it is 2.96, f of 3 2.0896 upon of 3 minus now which is equals to calculated all these values. For 3 value it is 16. This value previously we calculated upon same two brackets with the negative sign, and output of this expression it is 2.0939. Now to find out the symbol for that 2.09, substitute this value in the polynomial, and that calculation I am just representing here. You calculate this on the calc minus 5, and that output it is this one. So minus 0.0073, that minus symbol it become here. So this we completed fourth approximation. Our next interval become minus and plus. 0.9393 plus. So this become our newly x0 and x1 value. Calculate here fifth approximation, write down the calculation, and then we have value in the fifth approximation 2.0943. So the last value in the fifth approximation what we calculated, you write down here, hence root is 2.0943. So this is the root of given algebraic equation by using regular falsy method. Again, at each approximations we can tally our answer. This value must be in the given interval, this value must be in the given interval, similarly and so on. So this is our conclusion, we can tally our answer. Thank you.